to my channel. My name is Sonja and you are watching Domestic Diva. Today I will be sharing with you some more purging that I've been doing. I've been on a purging mission. I'm still not completely done, but that's okay, one step at a time. So today's video also in collaboration. It's a challenge hosted by Sweet and Simple Home, and it is called the One Box Challenge. You might have heard of it before. She's been doing this for a while. This is my first time participating and I'm very excited to do so. So I had gone through some of my basement and mostly in my room and just kind of decluttered more obvious stuff. I haven't done my spring cleaning fully yet, so I'm just going through room by room. So I had picked up a couple items from the basement that I knew I wanted to get rid of, and then just a couple items from my bedroom closet and from things that I knew, like I said, they were more obvious that I was getting rid of. So I'm going to first just turn my camera around and show you a really big item that I'm getting rid of, and I'm super excited because this is, well, let me show you what it is first. So I have these two, so that's a bag of stuff, and I didn't get a box because from that bin, some of it is going to a thrift store, but a lot of the stuff I am donating to a different venue. And then also some of the stuff is going to my mom and my sisters. And then this is a bag that if you had a dancer in your family are familiar with. My daughter danced for, I want to say, about 13 years. And she gave it up this year to concentrate for school. So I have this giant bag that we use to transport costumes in and all her stuff for competitions. I had purchased this bag secondhand from a friend, and I am going to be passing it on to my nieces who are dancers as well. And I think it's just such a great thing to do because this bag will cost you approximately $300 to $400 and Canadian, and I had picked it up for $40 secondhand, which I'm pretty sure was already a secondhand item to the person that I had picked it up from. And I'm not charging my sister-in-law for this bag. I'm just simply going to pass it on because I think this bag has gotten use of it so much for how much it like being that was secondhand to begin with. I'm just gonna pass it on. I just think, like I said, it got its money's worth, I guess, whoever paid regular price for it. So I'm just excited for things like that because it just shows that, you know, shopping secondhand for things sometimes is so worth it because you can truly find better deals on items, and like there's absolutely nothing wrong with the bag. There's no tears, there's nothing, maybe a little bit messy, which can be just cleaned up easily. So now I'm gonna kind of show you what I'm getting rid of from here, and then there's one item that I will be throwing out because it's broken. So I have gone and purged some of my jewelry that I've had for a while, and some of these items, for example, like these, if you can see it, these are earrings that we got from a Disney cruise. It was a gift. If you participate in these things called fish extenders, we got gifts. Now I have held on to these for a couple years thinking I was gonna wear them when we go to Disney World and stuff like that, and I just simply haven't worn them, and my ears have been getting more and more sensitive, so I can't wear unless stuff for longer periods of time unless it's gold. So I will be donating this to like a secondhand store, just in case if somebody wants them. I mean, they are Disney's. I don't think they're Disney brand, but they are Mickey Mouse, so somebody might really like them. And then there's also a Beauty and the Beast necklace that I will be donating as well. And then just some odds and ends jewelry. I'm just trying to see because I dumped it out. Oh, and then there's also these earrings as well, which are Mickey and Minnie Mouse earrings. So I will be donating these as well because I can wear those. And then, and I'm also going to be donating this purse. This is a 31 purse. It's in absolutely great condition. It was my daughter's. She no longer uses it. For me, the strap is way too short. So I thought, well, somebody might definitely get more use out of it. And then with this Coach purse, I'm going to see if somebody from my family wants it. And if not, I will be donating this one as well. Also have this fancy schmancy wallet that it still has a price tag. I had bought this when my daughter was graduating, thinking she might want to use it to put her phone in, but she didn't end up using it. I did only pay $12 for it, but I won't be using it, and I know for a fact she won't be using it, so I will be donating that one as well. And then these are, well, they have suspenders, which I'm probably going to take them off. My daughter used them because they were too big, so then my husband bought her these these suspenders when she went skiing with school. I'm going to be donating. There is a place in town where you can donate jackets and snow pants and mittens and boots and all winter clothes, and they go to families that need them. So I will be donating these snow pants. I also have, so the snow pants are North Face, so they're pretty good, the brand. And I also have a Columbia jacket that I will be donating. I know that I could sell these, but I think somebody donating them to a family in need will probably go a little bit better than selling them. And then I'm also have a Roots vest that I will be donating. This is a downfill vest, so I'll be donating that as well. Then these will go through to a thrift store. I have lost some weight, so I have a pair of pants that I want to get rid of. And then I made a boo-boo and ordered a wrong size from Old Navy, and they were supposed to send me a return bag, but they never did when they sent me a new size, and I just never got around taking back to the store. So I will be, again, I did not pay lots for this, so I'll donate that as well. It still has a price tag on it. And then I just have a kind of a blouse that I no longer want. You kind of need to wear a cami under it, but that one's going out as well. And then I have some kitchen items. If you watched my decluttering small appliances, that's one thing I have a hard time decluttering. So I will be getting rid of this. I think I used it twice. It's just doesn't work the way it says, or my microwave is just not strong enough. So it's the microwavable chip maker. So I will be donating. Maybe somebody will find a way to use this. I will see if my mom or my sister want it. My sister's a big Pampered Chef fan, but if not, I will be donating that. Then I also have a utensil bucket that I will be donating. And then one thing that I had a purge video go out in like the second week of January where I purged my Christmas decor, but this got left behind, so I will be purging this guy because I have a new cookie jar that I had thrifted as well, but I like it a little bit better than this one, so I will be donating this one. So I think that's it. I think I did pretty Ooh, look at all the fuzz flying around. I did pretty well. I know she is having another challenge in April, I think. So I'm thinking I will probably have a lot more because I will probably be getting close to being done with my spring cleaning, and I will definitely be going through a lot of my kids' stuff, clothes, especially and shoes. And I typically give those clothes to a friend of mine. She has a bit of younger kids than mine, and it's just so nice to see somebody appreciating it because her daughter wears my daughter's stuff, and that kind of makes me happy to see that somebody's getting use out of the items that I had, and then hopefully she'll pass them on to someone as well. And same with my son's clothes. So usually I have someone that those go to, but sometimes I will leave stuff for my sister-in-law as well, but her children are way younger, so not a lot of stuff can be passed on to them. But whatever doesn't get passed on, I usually tend to donate it. Sometimes there's a kidney foundation going around collecting, or cystic fibrosis goes around and collects, and if it all works out time-wise, I will donate to them, or I will just simply take it to Value Village and some Goodwill store and then just donate the stuff. And if you donate to Value Village, we have Value Village in Canada. I don't know if Value Village is offered anywhere else, but you get a discount coupon that you can use in their store. I think it's 20% off. So, and I love thrifting, so that comes in handy as well. So I would like to thank Sweet and Simple Home for hosting this challenge, and I will have her channel linked down below, as well as the playlist for this challenge linked down below, so make sure you check both out. I'm sure there's going to be lots of purging inspirations in the playlist. So, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I do purge organizing type of videos often, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I post these videos. And for those of you returning to my channel, thank you so much for your continuing support. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.